How to creating high-purity silver bars with mirror-like finishes and maximum yield. Watch our vacuum gold silver bar casting machine. Fully automated and easy to operate. Just load your material. Press start, and let the PLC touchscreen system do the rest. Our PLC touchscreen interface puts complete control at your fingertips. Melt and cast in a completely oxygen-free environment. After casting, the lid opened automatically. Ready to elevate your silver production? If you are interested, welcome to contact me.